Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a fragrance haul from the House of Versailles and the house review. And I'm also going to be announcing a giveaway. Giveaway time. Yeah, I get excited about doing giveaways for you guys. So if you want to see what I'm giving away, please stay tuned till the end of the video where I will be announcing what I'm giving away and the rules for the giveaway. Before we get started with this video, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for being a part of this fragrance family, this fragrance journey. I really appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and activate that notification bell. And without further ado, let's jump right into this haul. If some of you are not familiar with the House of Versailles, they're an Argentinian niche brand. Their fragrances are very conceptual and they have a story behind them. I'm not going to get into the stories, this will be too long. The first thing I hauled from the House of Versailles was this Discovery Set, and this has 8 samples in it. Each of these little samples holds 2 ml. And upon trying this out, I purchased a full-size bottle of one of them. You guys, please drop a comment down below what you think is the full size that I hauled. Which of these do you think I got the full size in? Like, just knowing my taste and knowing things I have liked in the past, you may or may not guess. But drop a comment down below right now and just take a wild guess if you know some of these fragrances, if you're familiar with them. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna go through each one, letting you know what the notes are and just giving you a brief description of each one. And I'm gonna leave the full size that I purchased for last. Suspense is great. I love suspense. The first one I have here is called Verano Porteno. By the way, I'm gonna put all the names of these down in the description box below so that you can reference it. And also, all of these are unisex. While this dries, I will read the notes to you. So the classification of this one is chypre floral, and this has notes of jasmine, citron, bergamot, magnolia, clementine, vetiver, ambrette, cardamom, mate, wallflower. So this is very citrusy, very lemony. The citron in here is very strong. It's very prominent. I smell the jasmine. I smell the clementine as if it was a freshly peeled clementine. So this is very citrusy, very floral. The florals are really coming through. There's the jasmine and magnolia, beautiful white florals. It smells very clean, very refreshing. I would imagine this one to be a perfect spring-summer scent. This will work beautifully in the spring and summertime. It's just very refreshing and clean smelling. It smells so good. I really like this one. Very crisp, just refreshing. I'm gonna move on to the next, and this one is called Fuego Lento. And by the way, these are not first impressions. I did get to wear them, play with them, obviously, because I purchased the full size. The notes here are jasmine sambac, orange blossom, tola balsam, suede, civet, sweet notes, cassis grass. It smells very sweet, white floral. It smells like freshly cut grass. There are green nuances going through here. It's musky. It's a bit animalic from that suede and civet. What I'm mostly getting from this one is jasmine and orange blossom. It's very pretty. It's very pretty skin scent. This one sits close to the skin. It doesn't really project and the performance is not great, but it's a nice, pretty skin scent. Very green and fresh smelling. So moving on to the next one. This is the famous Blondine. This is really hyped up here on YouTube. many fragrance reviewers talk about Blondine. I hear about this one so much, and as you can see, I have quite a little bit left in there. But let's see, does it live up to its hype? Notes of tiger lily, suede, butter, cacao, caramel, tonka, pear leaf, ashaka flower, white musk, castoreum, green mandarin, and salt. This is so amazing. This is a very salty, buttery, and a little bit sweet lily. Oh, it's so intoxicating. This really lives up to its hype, you guys. This fragrance is so beautiful, beautiful. It's just intoxicating. This is one of those scents that when I have on my wrist, I just cannot stop sniffing it. This smells very classy. The suede, which is not really noticeable in this fragrance, it's blended to perfection. The suede just adds this sophistication to it, this classiness. This fragrance is very rich and full-bodied. It's not a gourmand, even though it sounds like it is. It's not really sweet. It's not really a gourmand, even though there are edible notes in here, but it's just, I don't think it's classified as a gourmand. Oh. And this wears beautifully on my skin. The performance on this is superb. I get 8+ hours. The sillage is incredible. The projection is amazing. This fragrance is perfection. The next fragrance, the fourth fragrance, it's called Tiandi. Spray some on here. This one is classified as an oriental woody fragrance, and this has notes of peach, sandalwood, incense, ginger, orris root, chrysanthemum, star anise, galbium, olibanum, and musk. This smells like a spiced ginger peach with added incense to it. And the incense in here smells like licorice. So you really need to like that licorice, incensey type of scent. But that ginger peach smells beautiful. And it also gets woodier as it develops. This is a very unusual and unique scent. I really like this. I like the combination of that peach with the spices, with the ginger, the woodiness of it, the incense. I typically don't care for licorice in my fragrance, but it smells good. It's really pretty. So I'm going to move on to the next one. This is number 5. And this is called Tiesenddu. The notes in Tiesenddu are brown sugar, leather, bitter orange, nutmeg, juniper, rum, mimosa. So it has a lot of these gourmand notes in it. What does it smell like? It's very sweet, very aromatic. When I first put this on my skin, I smelled the leather and I was like, oh no, because you all know how I feel about leather in my fragrance. It's just rated. And then all of a sudden it turned from smelling to leather into this gingery spiced cookie cake type of thing after like having it on for a minute. So it smells like a spiced nutmeg cake or cookie. Makes me think of Christmas time when those items are baked, and it's just warm, spicy, sweet, and it's so well blended that you can't distinguish these notes. I can't pick out the leather after this is on me for more than a minute. I can't pick out like any one specific note. They're just blended together beautifully. They work together harmoniously. This is really a work of art. The performance of this is great. this gives me 8+ hours like Blondine. Just like Blondine, it has beautiful sillage, amazing projection. And this is really good one. So at number 6, we have one called Rosa Sacra, or Sacra. It means sugared rose in Spanish. This one has notes of bergamot, blackcurrant, lychee, mandarin orange, raspberry, grass, rose, and Turkish rose. So it has 2 types of roses: chamomile, orange blossom, jasmine, cedar, oak moss. And it has a whole lot of other notes. I couldn't even write down because this has so many, which is crazy. Smell, most part, this is so citrusy to me from that bergamot. And lychee tends to have like a sourness to it, that the whole entire wear of this, I don't pick up the roses prominent. They smell like those hard lemon candies with powdered sugar on them. Heads. This smells like lemon heads. If you guys have tried that, that's what this smells like. And I love this scent. I could smell this all day. You know, it's refreshing, it's citrusy, it's bright, perfect for spring and summertime. But I'm not getting much of the other notes listed. Like I said, this one has probably the most notes out of all of them. And the prominent ones to me are the citrusy, sweet, candy-like. Yeah. I don't smell anything herbal in this. So this is supposed to be an aromatic, citrusy rose. And it is aromatic, but I'm not getting too much rose considering there are 2 types of roses in here. If you're looking for a refreshing scent for springtime or summertime, like this is good. This is so good. The next one I have is called El Descanso. This one has lemon, amberette, galbanum, green leaves, bran, geranium, orris root, mimosa, cedar, sandalwood, tonka bean, vanilla. This one is very interesting because it smells like oatmeal. It smells like Wheaties, the cereal Wheaties, in milk. It's supposed to replicate the smell of wheat fields. And it does. It really does. It's a skin scent. It smells like wheat. Not weed. Wheat. Oh, yeah. It's so pretty and pleasant. And like this one is more conceptual. It's not perfumey, if that makes sense. And the 8th one, the last one, is called Cuir Pampas. This one has notes of mate, black pepper, Italian lemon, thyme, anise, leather, smoke, vetiver, raspberry, jasmine, sambac, orange blossom, geranium, curry tree, vetiver, bourbon, vetiver, incense, vanilla, and more notes. So this is another one. This is another one that has the and more notes. Basically, this one is a very prominent leather smell. It's a very leather forward smell, very leather centric smell. This one leans masculine to me. Like I said, all of these are unisex. Some I feel lean more feminine, some are down the middle. This one to me leans more masculine. This smells like an expensive leather jacket with some smoke around it. And it smells very sophisticated, very stylish, the way that leather can smell. It's not like a cheap saddle leather or like car leather smell, which can be good sometimes, but not like an old car leather smell. This is like an expensive leather jacket on a rich, sophisticated man. And there's smoke around him. Not like cigarette smoke, but it almost smells tobacco-ish. You know, it has that like tobacco vibe. So it just brings up an image of a man wearing a leather jacket, wearing this fragrance. It's really nice. Not one that I would wear, so. So you guys, the big reveal. I am going to show you which one I bought in the full size. And this is the Tiesenddu one. And it comes in a box like this. Oh, it's upside down, okay. And the bottle looks like so. I love this bottle shape, the design of it. It's very minimalistic. The way that they put the name in the corner just reminds me of BDK. This is a wooden top. It's just a really pretty bottle. I love their bottles. So when you purchase a Discovery set from them, you receive $35 towards your full bottle purchase, which of course I used, and I think that's awesome. And this also came with a brand new Discovery set. Spray some of this on. Heaven. This is heavenly, you guys. This makes me think of the holidays. This is great for wintertime, cold weather, because it's so cozy. It's warm, it's inviting. It smells absolutely delicious. It's aromatic, it's gourmand. I feel like this is perfect for cooler weather. I don't think it's going to perform as well in the heat. It just might choke you out because it is very potent. It's a very bold scent. So I prefer to use this in cooler weather, which we're having, and it's perfect for right now. And so this was my favorite. I will be looking to purchase Blondine sometime in the future, but this is what I have for now. So let's talk about the giveaway. What I'm giving away is this Versailles Discovery Set, not the one that I originally bought and used, but this one is actually completely unused. I have not taken any of these out. This is the one that came with my full-size bottle. I'm going to give this away to one of you. So again, this comes with 8 of their fragrances. I think it's all their fragrances from the house. This is their bigger one because they have one that has 5, and they're 2 ml each. Very nice. So here are the rules to my giveaway. This will be only open to US and Canada. I'm sorry guys, it's just because of shipping restrictions in some countries. I just don't know where they are and where things are. Some places are closed, some are open. I'm just keeping it simple for now. So it's going to be US and Canada residents. And also, to be eligible to win this, please drop me a comment down below letting me know which one of these you would like to try a full size of. And if you already own any of these, let me know which one. And for a bonus entry, please head over to my Instagram, laladanisheibeauty, and tag 2 friends on the post for this video. And that's it. So you guys, this was a long, epic video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back here soon. Take care.